Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we embark on an emotionally charged journey, facing some of the most terrifying natural disasters imaginable. From earth-shaking earthquakes that tremble the very ground beneath us to colossal tsunamis that engulf cities in the blink of an eye, we will witness the devastating power of nature and the fragility of human life. These harrowing moments not only send chills down our spines, but also serve as a stark reminder of the crucial need to protect our blue planet. Join us as we explore 60 unforgettable moments to gain a deeper understanding of the importance of safeguarding our environment. Our journey begins now. Are you ready to dive into this challenging world? The hail was so fierce, it made a terrifying sound. The storm caused all outdoor items to fly everywhere and be blown away by the wind. The flood flows down from the mountains like a giant blanket, swallowing the entire path. The volcano's crater emitted thick, black smoke that covered the sky. The speed of this tornado passed quickly. The power was terrifying. Huge chunks of ice began to melt under global warming. The red lava flow is spreading everywhere, turning the land and rocks black. Red-hot lava flows slowly through each mountainside. The boiling lava flow shines in the night, blazing like blood from the ground. The mountainside was engulfed in hot lava flow, smoke and dust covered the space. The lava boiled, creating rolling waves of fire that spread out. Streams of fiery molten lava poured from the crater, lighting up the sky. The crater shoots sparks like bright red fireworks. The wind began to grow stronger with each gust, and the trees began to move accordingly. A tornado as big as a pillar of heaven was standing in the middle of a desolate land. Rocks and soil suddenly collapsed, causing people to run away in fear. The black floodwater carried soil and rocks down from the mountains. The giant tornado connected the sky and the ground, a color of death. This hailstorm was so intense, the hail destroyed even nearby cars. The power of this storm was so fierce that the mortars were almost knocked down by them. The trees are tilted almost as if they want to be uprooted from the ground. It's really scary. The wind gusted, the trees began to sway. The thunderstorm with hail was terrible. The fire became more and more intense, black smoke rising. The volcano erupted, red lava flowing down the mountainside, creating a majestic scene. The power of this storm was terrible. Everything on the streets was swept away by them. Thunder and lightning appeared like flickering lights in the dark night. The hail began to become thicker, covering the entire road with white. The tornado is moving at breakneck speed, wiping out everything around it. Bright sparks seem to be dancing around the crater. Hot steam and white smoke rose from the crater, forming a dense column of smoke. Lava rolled and boiled like a river of fire flowing endlessly. The fire was so fierce, the whole forest was burned in a sea of flames. The flood flow suddenly poured down from the mountain, washing away all the soil and rocks around it. Storms make the air cold and the surrounding scenery blurry. The white hail made the air hazy. The ice blocks are gradually melting and sinking into the ocean. A giant transparent block of ice is sinking into the sea. The tornado is like a mill rolling everything into it. The volcano roared, waves of ash and hot rock shooting into the air. The slushy lava flows down, burning everything in its path. Columns of white smoke rose from the crater after the fierce explosion. The lava flows slowly, leaving a long trail of bright red light on the black ground. A huge block of ice fell, shaking the entire sea. The flood is so strong, it seems like nothing can stop them. The whole forest of trees seemed to be uprooted from the ground because they could not withstand the destructive power of the storm. Join Protect Nature as we continue our journey to explore the incredible power and the awe-inspiring challenges that nature bestows upon us. The breathtaking moments ahead will not only amaze you, but also awaken a deep love for Earth, igniting your passion to protect this precious planet. If this message touches your heart, don't hesitate to spread it by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel so we can travel together through inspiring adventures where we witness the pristine beauty of nature. Let's join hands to safeguard the only home we have, making the world a better place for future generations. See you in the next magical journey.